What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn $100 into close to $2,500 in just a year. So we're going to be doing this through Bitconnect. So first thing you want to do is head over to Coinbase, purchase $100 worth of Bitcoin, and then you're going to want to come over to Bitconnect. I already have my profile set up, but what you want to do is use the link in the description of this video and just set up an account. Even if you aren't going to invest right away, just set it up so that you have it all ready to go whenever you're ready to pour some money into it. So use that link in the description, set up an account, and then what you're going to do is head over to Wallet. We'll just wait for it to load. And then you're going to want to go to Receive Bitcoin, hit Deposit Bitcoin, and it'll give you this address. So you'll want to send that $100 worth of Bitcoin to this address. And then it'll show incoming Bitcoin transactions. As soon as it's confirmed, then it will go into your Bitcoin wallet right here. And then you want to hit Exchange. And then you'll scroll down even more, and then you'll hit buy. You're on the buy sell Bitcoin section, or buy sell Bitconnect. You'll want to exchange your Bitcoin for Bitconnect tokens. So you'll enter however much Bitconnect you want right here, and then what I usually do is do last. It gets you your balance quicker. And so this is where you enter your Bitcoin. So what you can do is hit all, and then it'll send that all of your Bitcoin over to Bitconnect. And then you can watch your open orders here. As soon as it's fulfilled, it'll go into your Bitconnect wallet, and I have a little bit in my Bitconnect wallet. So then you're going to want to hit Lend Bitconnect, and then you'll put 100 right here, and then pay from Bitconnect wallet and confirm. And then that's when your loan starts. So if you look here, it shows you the payouts. You get close to 1% a day. As you can see down here, on average, it's 0.86. So right here on the calculator, if you enter 100, and the term length for 100 is 299 days. That's how long your capital is in there. And then after that 299 days, you get the 100 that you invested back. So your profit with this is 257. But with reinvesting, you can turn that $100 into $2,500. And I'll show you how to do that now. So after you get your loan set up, you're going to close. And then you can check out your total investment on the transaction page. If you go to Lending Wallet, you'll go here, and you can see your payouts. So you're going to have to wait maybe 10 days with a $100 investment based on Bitcoin's volatility and the software bot. And then every time you have $10, which is the minimum you can reinvest, you want to reinvest that, because after 299 days, that'll turn into 2,500. So right now I'm going to do my reinvestment. So you'll just hit this, then hit all, and then you'll hit reinvest, confirm, and then close. And then now that my total investment was 260, but now it's 270. So that reinvestment will be active then. And then I'll show you how this can turn 2,500 days. So this is a little spreadsheet. As you can see, $100 initial investment, and then the average interest, it's actually 0.86 right now, but I'm just going to be a little conservative with that and keep it at 0.84. And then as you can see, if you start on 11:30, you'll have that, and then we'll go up to day one right here. Alright, so what this calculates is the interest received, and then it'll tell you your lending wallet balance. So you'll go down to here on the 13th day. This fluctuates based on the average. You'll reinvest, and then reinvest again, and then you'll just keep reinvesting as soon as you have $10. And then as you can see, the total active loans is going up. So after 125 days, that $100 is $270. And then keep going down. And then after 299 days, which is the capital back, that's when you get your capital back. That'll be 1,020. So then you get that 100 back, and see, that's why this lending wallet balance jumps up. And then you reinvest that, and then keep doing your normal reinvestment. And then see, as you can see, after 365 days, reinvesting every single day possible, this amount turns into 1630. And then you can just keep reinvesting. And for example, actually that reinvestment is on no. So basically, if you keep reinvesting every day, then you're going to get way more out of your loan than if you would just take your capital. And I believe that you can trust Bitconnect, so don't worry about pouring more and more money into it. And really, whenever you put $100 into this only, then after 365 days, you're just playing with money that you earned, and you can already get that $100 back. And if you want, keep that $100 and keep on reinvesting what you earn, and you still profit even more and more. So just sign up for Bitconnect with that link in the description. Buy your Bitcoin, lend it to Bitconnect, and just reinvest every single day possible, and you can change $100 into upwards of $2,500 in just a year. And if you keep going after that, you can even change $100 into $100,000 if you wanted. If you keep steady with that reinvestment, then you're on track to do that. So just use the link in the description, and that's about it for today, guys. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see anything in specific. I'll see you guys in the next one.